If you crave space, style, and that wow factor every day, this is the apartment you've been dreaming of. Ready to see what true luxury looks like? Step into this brand new, furnished apartment on the iconic Anacaona Avenue. With over 414 square meters of space, 3 spacious bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and walk-in closet, plus 4 covered parking spaces, you'll have all the room you need for your comfort and privacy. Entertain in your double living room, relax in the family room, or step out onto the spacious terrace and enjoy those stunning park and sea views. The elegant marble floors, imported finishes, and modern kitchen make every detail feel special. But it's more than just an apartment. It's a complete luxury experience. Enjoy a 5-star lifestyle with 24/7 security, a spa and gym, a sparkling pool, a lounge with a bar, activity rooms, and even a children's play area. Need convenience? There's a backup generator, water treatment system, and additional storage, plus a lobby with service and luxury elevators. Live steps away from green parks and the excitement of the city. With everything designed for your comfort and tranquility, this isn't just a home, it's your private sanctuary in the heart of Santo Domingo. Want to see it for yourself? Contact us today and step into a new level of living.
Ok, sí, sí. provide some pool as well.